Hi and welcome back to another vlog. We are heading to the house. We just dropped off Anna by the river. She's going to take a walk for 2 hours in a bit. The stonemason is already there working, and we are most likely going to work on the staircase today. We'll see. Hopefully the weather is a bit better, because yesterday was way too cold. Finally, the sun is out. The dogs are back. Anna is back from her walk. My father is producing steps for the stairs. Anna is working. On the door opening. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start putting the steps in. So we are gonna set things up for Anna so that she can start varnishing the doors. We have left now is put these metal, we call them shoes. I'm not sure the English words for them. In Italian they're also called shoes. So we're gonna put them here and then mount them into the wall. And then the first section of the stairs is done, and my father is working on the second set, which is going to go down here. Okay, that was an absolute fail. Even the batteries in both of them, so I'm going to go charge and then continue in a bit. Okay, batteries are charged and I'm going to give it another go. So this is the work he's done today, which is excellent. And the interior. And then we are gonna put the glass door here. This one. This was the work Anna did today with the doors, or the door. She only did one. She then went for a walk again with the dogs. But these ones are taking shape. We can mount them pretty soon. So this is the progress so far. This probably explains the angle of the bathroom ceiling a bit better. Tomorrow morning we are going to start doing this section, and then we are going to be done for now with the stairs. We're not going to put the railings on at this point. We could do that later. And that's going to be it for this vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao!